At least why I'm telling you, get the subject. At least if you do into IIT or something in future, it will be helpful. No? So you have brain. If you don't have, for example, frankly speaking, if you don't have mind, I won't tell you. You have better brain than all the people in your family. Kirtana also only that Kirtana only mugging up now. Analysis she doesn't have. You know about Aishwarya. Your brother also is not having that much skills. Actually, that spark used to maybe your brother maybe I don't know because personally I never interacted online classes now. But somewhere, but he's not up to your mark. But by from my analysis, uh, no, no, you have that. I'm not saying good means. I'm not saying in terms of marks. That because as a person who's teaching in these higher classes for many years, I come across many type children now. Which set of skills are there for a I can easily tell this fellow will get rank. Umer and Abdullah, within 1 week I'll tell who will get the rank. I'll tell to the chairman. Okay, even this batch now is writing this 2021. I told you won't get any seats in advance. Mains one or two people will come. I told the names also. Hannan, Adnan, like that. Because that is experience. What is that? So, for example, your mother knows cooking. Any guests come, two, three people also, she has that capacity to serve them. That means that she knows how much to keep rice and all. That is only that thinking of that you have those nice skills actually. Yeah, these are the confusion. Kirtana is not up to the more, but don't discuss with her. I'm just sharing. No, no, she's just like mugging type. She's like some that school kid attitude she has, and she behaves very like school mean kid, something. She's not grown up again. Chaitanya, she'll say quarterly exam, half yearly examinations, all that. She'll give more preference for board. I don't know why. So it's different, a little bit different. Actually, you are totally matured behavior I used to see. So once what happened is I asked her, what are you doing with books? Nothing, sir, I doing no. Okay, give those books, I'll send my driver, I can set question paper. She gave. Within 1 week, she told her mother, and her mother called your mother for books. I felt very embarrassed. Horrible, what as if I cheated her and took the books. I told you should have called me, why you brought parents in between, I told. You and me also used to talk many things, no? That maturity she doesn't have. Then I thought she's a little bit different girl. After that, I told her mother, immediately give the books to her, madam. I don't want. Yes. That maturity, all that, no? And IIT advanced mind people will behave differently. Maturity level should be there. You used to have nice analysis, maturity, and I used to enjoy teaching. Used to run fast in pace when I used to teach. No, taka 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 taka. I used to. Otherwise, how I'll complete so much syllabus? That is not possible with me. Right, slowly have to teach. But anyhow, all fingers are not alike, but all fingers are needed now. So your brother also astonishingly is not having that much IQ as you have. I don't know why. Maybe he. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know unless it's what I'm saying. See, perception comes from our experience only. No, real. I am not God not to tell the factual information. What I perceive, I am telling. My experiences as a teacher used to have that skills to get into easily to get into advanced. Actually, the first mistake I've done is last year January you should have written actually 100% you should have got mains with that syllabus. I can know that at least you at that time Corona is not there. You did not go. You got scared. Meanwhile, Corona came. Anyhow, go ahead. Now search for this book immediately and send it to me. Okay. Right, right, right. So, Gavan Gupta is there now with you, PDF. If, otherwise, you ask your friends, somebody will have an engineering student. Okay. Right. Bye. 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 No, no. Not that much work now who is doing. Nothing. I am also getting irritated day by day. Right? No, nobody are working that much. Okay, right. Good evening, all. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Right.
sir.
Morning we are doing some impulse something now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
See, you know what is a jerk now?
yes,
Jerk
sir.
means suddenly any force change is called jerking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you hold a string and pull it suddenly. What will happen? That is called jerk.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so here when a string jerks,
देखते हैं। मुझे लगता है सब एक जैसे ही होंगे। SSS LM 20।
Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, for example, this is on a horizontal surface, there is a string like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is a particle. Now, if I give a speed to this, will there be a tension in this? The string is slack, no?
Yes, sir. Slack.
Now, what will happen? This is fixed, no? So,
Yes, sir.
this will go on to some distance or not? Now, suddenly the
Yes,
string becomes taut.
yes, sir. Taught. Yes, sir.
Understood this? Clear or not?
Clear, sir. Yes.
Followed? Now you
Got it.
can see that the impulse will be acting in this direction. This is the tension. Suddenly tension comes like this.
Yes, sir.
Now can the body move like this?
No, sir. Because it is
It
no.
has to move like this only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now actually what happens is just before, see, this U will it change? U will not change. Do you agree with this or not? Why?
Mm.
There is no force, no? U will be like this only.
Yes, sir, constant.
This is theta. Please understand this. This is theta. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
This is theta. Agreed? What will be
Yes.
this? 90 minus theta. U
Yes.
cos 90 minus theta. This is U sin 90 minus theta. Now can you tell out of these two components which will change?
So you sign that. So
Which one? This one or this one?
you cos. Yes, sir. You cos.
Because U cos 90 minus theta component will change. Why? Because of
The radial force. Yes.
no, due to presence of
Centripetal action.
Tension.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No
See,
doubts.
remember that a force, suppose any force will have effect if it has a component in that direction, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 inch. Yes.
See, don't mug up formulas. Try to understand what is actually happening.
Yes, sir.
Here it is impulsive tension force, no, sir?
Yes, yes. At that instant is impulsive.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is this morning class continuation?
Yes. Obviously, no? Every class is a continuation of the previous class.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
this is one particle A, another particle B. There is a thread connected like this. Understood the question at least.
Understood, sir.
So this is fixed, it seems. This is given a velocity u in a direction perpendicular to u.
Yes.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is L distance away from A.
Now AB is how much? So that means this point A is there, a fixed point.
Yes, sir. And B.
U will not change till here, no?
Yes, sir. You will not change. U
This
cos
is
theta.
theta.
90 minus theta. U
So
cos
here
theta.
you have
U cos 90 minus theta. U sin. U cos. Sorry. U sin 90 minus theta. Or U sin theta. So, or U cos theta. Sorry. U cos theta.
okay. This is
Yes, sir.
so far followed.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is 2L, no? The thing is 2L only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Total
Yes, sir.
string
So you can get cos theta is how much?
L by 12.
So this
L
is
by
60
12.
degrees, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I am.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Right. Now can you tell can this move in this way?
No, sir.
No,
It
sir.
can only make circles, sir. Direction of U cos 90 minus theta. Yes.
That means it can move only in this direction, no?
Yes, sir. Uh, Only in that direction, sir. Perpendicular to AB.
Am I right? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Now so this is the string impulse, no?
Yes, sir. Tension. Yes.
Finally there is no velocity like this.
No velocity.
Why this side I have taken positive, no? Final momentum is zero. Initially this side, no? You're able to follow or not what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sorry.
Yes.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Next, perpendicular to AB.
Sir,
Is there any impulse?
no, sir.
What is the change in momentum?
Let's say, then review.
Final minus initial.
Agreed, because this I have taken this direction as positive. Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
is there till here?
No, no, sir. Clear.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
What is asking? Find the impulsive tension. Already you got.
Yes, sir.
Velocity of the particle also you got.
Yes, sir. Complete.
One minute. Completed, sir.
Now the same problem, we'll do it, both are free. Same problem. You want to try?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
In place of a another mass m is attached, na sir.
Hmm?
In this
Pardon?
question, in the place of a another mass m is attached, na sir. That is the
Yes,
difference,
yes,
sir.
yes. Correct. Andre.
Huh.
Got any answer?
Doing some trying.
See, hello.
Yes, sir.
Just like previous problem,
Yes, sir.
these are the masses.
Yes.
Agreed? See,
Yes,
this
sir.
is
And you,
as before what you have here.
sir, you
U
cos theta,
cos theta.
60 degrees. You sin 60 degrees.
Afterwards,
So afterwards, both mass will try to move. Sir.
now it is free to move, no? This will have V,
Yes, sir.
C.
B.
There is,
So
this
B.
won't change,
Will
Yes,
not
sir, that
change.
will be remain same.
because we will call it as V.
Yes, B1.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, integral P dt.
This will be the tension here, no?
Yes, attention. Integral dt.
So for along AB, what is the net force?
So, sir,
Zero, no?
yes, sir, both are
Yes,
same.
sir.
Tension.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Good. So this mg will be there now, sir. Means
Huh?
mg component
Mass.
mass of
This
the.
is on a table. Please read the problem.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
these are on a table. Here.
yes, sir. For the question, sir.
So normal reaction balances mg, no? This pen
Yeah.
is there. Normal reaction balances mg, no?
Yes, sir. Balance is mg.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree? So initially what you have? Mass of A, it is at rest.
Mass of b.
After that what happens? Mass of A,
Velocity
Velocity VA.
v1. So,
agreed?
yes,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Why this is not needed? We need only impulsive tensions now. Till here you followed now. Now just
Followed.
apply. So along AB will apply.
Yes, sir.
This is initially at rest now.
Initially at rest, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
They move because of string constraint, most must be having same velocity, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
For the string to be taut, both must be having same speed or not along the string. Hello?
Yes, sir. You should have same.
Followed?
Followed, sir.
See here, remember that VA is greater than VB, string will not trot,
Yes, sir. Will not be taught.
will be slack. Slack
Yes,
means
sir.
tension is zero. VA is less than VB, string breaks, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So therefore, VA equals VB, so then they'll be having string has tension.
Yes, sir.
Understood the story?
Yes, sir.
So this VA less than VB, that I didn't understand, sir. String break.
VA is lesser than VB, that means this is pulling more. What will break, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
VB is
sir.
more than VA.
So similarly,
Agreed?
VA is, yes, sir. So VA is also greater than VB. Then also string break.
Why?
So because I will
Yes,
pull.
man, but it is having equal, it moves along with that, no, with same speed, it will break. Hello?
So, yes,
You are
sir.
moving, man, your hand is moving along with it with same speed. You are moving
Yes,
at
sir.
body is moving at 100 kmph, hand is moving at 1 meter per second, hand will come out, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I will come out.
That's what. Same speed, why it will break? Hopeless fellows.
Yes, no, sir.
Use your
Same
common
speed will not.
sense. Pardon?
That this VA is greater than VB, no, sir. Then also string will
VA
break.
is greater than VB means string will go like this now. It will become loose. The string will be, length
Right.
will be decreasing now. Hopeless fellow.
So, sir, I forgot that direction, sir. Sorry, sir. Now only I saw the direction. Clear, sir. Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
That is velocity, final velocity we found now, sir. It will be in the direction of B, sir.
Pardon? What you are talking?
No, sir. We found that velocity answer, final velocity
Of
in the
A.
exact
Of
result.
A. Of A.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hmm.
It will be
Hmm.
in which direction, sir?
I
Answer.
already wrote now. I wrote here now. See, you won't read fully.
No, sir. Along string means which direction, sir? I didn't
In
understand.
which direction
Along,
it is going on here? Which direction is this?
it's down, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
towards.
Then
Yes, sir.
already I showed no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You sure, sir. You sure.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Complete that, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Now come back to this. Now we have finished perpendicular to the string. Parallel to the string. Perpendicular to the string, let us see.
Yes, sir.
Is there any force?
Sir,
No,
no
sir,
force.
no.
No force.
Because force tension is like this now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Only tangential velocity. Yes, velocity is constant.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Or you can say that impulse is zero. Finally,
And V1, my so V1 plus so impulse equal to 0.
do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree. V1 is going to be U cos 60 degree.
Now you can see that V has two things. One is V, the other is V1. V is how much you got already?
So root 3 by 4.
So here what is the net velocity of B? They are perpendicular, no?
Root 3, 3 by 16 U square.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir. 7 by 16 U square under root. Root 7 by 4 U.
Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, in the diagram, we showed that V1 is acting upward and mu cos 50 is also acting upward, no, sir. Then why are we writing?
No, man, you first see who is showing upward, man. Did I show upward?
Sir, in the diagram,
No,
sir,
sir. It
V1.
is on the table.
Hopeless fellows, along and perpendicular. Where is upward here? This is on a bench,
Not there.
man. Use your brainless fellows, use your brain. This is one velocity I am showing. This is the string. Okay, this is one velocity component. Another velocity component is this. Where is upward here?
Not there, sir. No upward.
No,
Only
no.
on a horizontal table.
Go to that problem. That's what I am saying. Previous problem, these are connected, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now you want to know the impulsive tension.
Yes, sir. Impulse equal. Delta P bar.
What you have here? Finally,
Yes, sir.
initially it is zero, no?
Yes, sir. Initially. So usage is to be zero.
Agreed?
Yes.
This is before jerk. This after jerk, you have V.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Um,
Or you do one thing. For A, you
Sir,
do best. For A, we'll do. Impulsive tension is this side, no? MVA. Initially, it is at rest, no? That's headache won't be there. How much you got? What is VA you got?
so
V is how much you got? Understood this?
yes, sir. 1 minute.
Go to that. Any doubt is there? Impulsive tensions.
Sir, one doubt only, sir. So this 4A, sorry, sir, 4B and A, sir. Clear, sir, clear. Everything is clear.
You have any doubt, you can ask.
No doubts. Yeah.
Any doubt? Any corner?
No doubts. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Which one? This one, huh?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Oh, let us go ahead. See, there is a string like this. Now the ball is released. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
when you release this, what happens? It will fall down like this, no?
Yes, sir. It will fall and become dots, sir.
That means this will be another 1 meter, no?
Yes, sir. One more movement.
Now suddenly there is a tension.
Yes, sir.
Now see, white falls.
Sir, because of mg.
Hmm. Agreed. So what is the speed?
Sir, root, sir, root 2g, root 2g.
Hmm. Root 2gh, no?
I see. So, sir, not root 2G, sir. Root 4G.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. See, actually, when it falls here, what is the speed it has? V, because it falls like this, no?
Yes, sir. Root 2G. 2 root G, sir. 2 root G.
Okay.
Yes.
After that, because of the jerk, what happens?
Tension comes. Yes,
Agreed.
yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
Now I can say impulse equals change in momentum, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2G.
You agree? Why? Because I am taking this as positive.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? This is the impulse, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir. But
Sir,
one doubt. Sir,
Yeah,
one
tell.
doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, in last problem, this similar force was there, and we told our string is breaking, sir. That VA and VB, no, sir. In that our
Hmm.
string is breaking. But here
Hmm.
it is not breaking.
It
Why, sir?
falls, man. Immediately after that, it breaks or not, we don't know.
No, immediately. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This is
Okay,
what he
sir.
has.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, asked immediately. Yes, sir. Clear.
This is Newton into second, no?
Yes, sir. Newton into second. Impulse. Kilogram meter per second.
Sir, it's
Sir,
time for
sir,
prayer,
can
I
we
think.
go to prayer, sir?
Okay, till
Yes.
after what time will come?
Nearly
15 to 20
6:45.
minutes, sir.
6:45.
6:45.
Okay. Right.
10 to 15
6:45 you
15 minutes will
minutes.
come.
do.
6:45
Yes, sir.
maximum. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here minus 2 root G because it is downward, no, sir?
Hmm. This is
Yes,
upward, I
sir.
have taken positive, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood, sir.
Sir,
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir is not wearing headset. Activation.
Yes, I think I did not wear headphones.
Excuse me, sir. We are back, sir.
Sir is not wearing headphones. No, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is about impulsive tensions. You have something called as collision.
Yes, sir.
See here, observe carefully.
Yes, sir.
Say there are two particles. Okay.
Yes.
Now they collide. The moment they collide, what will happen?
Sir.
Immediately they collide. See, look at this carefully.
Velocity will be
They
different.
first touch like this.
Yes.
After that, they get compressed.
One pushes the other, presses the other.
They'll be compressed. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
After that,
Yes.
once they compressed, what will happen? They restore again. That means
Right.
internal forces will try to pull it again, and again they attain this. Till here you followed?
Follow, sir.
Clear on it?
Clear, sir.
See, just like this man, this is one spring, this is one block. Is there any force between them?
No, sir.
No force. Now it is just a touch like this. Both are having velocities initially. When they touch this, definitely the spring starts compressing, no? Once it starts compressing, the spring force will be like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir. Yes, sir. Like this one,
Yes,
like this
sir.
one. Opposite. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Oppose compression.
So
Yes.
again, at some stage, the spring will come to,
Original position, natural
Normal
length.
position.
and this will natural length. After that, the block will go separately. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Now they'll have same velocity, no?
Same velocity, sir.
Do you follow this? Clear?
Yes, clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So similarly here, they have different velocities. They meet here. They get compressed. Internal forces will develop. Again, they'll depart. Okay, we shall see all that together. That
Yes, sir.
means now the force which is zero here suddenly becomes maximum, because maximum compression is there now.
Yes, sir.
After that it gets released, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
So this is the force versus time graph or not?
Yes, sir.
After
Forces.
this, do you agree with this? Any doubt is there?
God out, sir.
No, sir.
Clear.
Same velocity is there.
Followed this?
Follow, sir.
So this is the force, how the force will act.
Yes.
Sir, after maximum compression, they separate by each other and they move with same velocity.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, after compressing each other, they
Yes,
will
sir.
move with the same velocity.
No,
After
different
the
velocity. Because there's a force acting on them now. Once force acts, what will happen?
So
Velocity must change, no?
yes, sir. It will restore also. Yes,
Follow this or not?
follow. Sir.
See. No, there is no spring force, no?
No spring force. Sir.
No spring.
So this
No.
is moving with U.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose if U1 equals U2, what will happen?
Mm.
Definitely it will touch here.
Yes, sir.
At that instant, still spring is not compressed, no?
No, sir. Only touched.
It touches.
No, because U1 is more than U2, it travels faster, no? So
Yes, sir.
thereby, what will happen? The spring will be compressed.
Compressed.
Right.
Yes, sir. M1 compresses spring.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the spring is
Clear.
compressed. That means you can see that once it starts, the forces will be acting on this. This is the
Yes, sir.
spring force. Follow carefully. This is the spring force on this.
Yes,
This
sir.
is also spring force now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you can see that this is M2 now.
M2.
Yes, sir.
M1.
Now what will happen? Spring force
Pushes
opposes motion of what?
motion of both M1. Mm.
And
Supports
aids.
motion of M2.
Agreed. Therefore, what
Yes,
will
sir.
happen?
So M1 will stop and M2 will move fast.
M2 speeds up. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Same thing I'm showing by a way of spring example, you'll understand better.
Yes.
Followed. Now, please
Follow.
see. There won't be further compression. Can you tell when? When both won't have any further compression.
So
Velocity
If
will be zero.
both
M1.
velocities are same.
Same. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because if this is more than this, spring will compress. Both are same velocities.
No
Will
compression.
not.
Because now this is more than this. See, this is more than this. Now this is slowing down, this is increasing. At one point, the same velocity they'll have now.
Yes, sir. Same
Yes, sir.
velocity. One point of time.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens? Now spring tries to
Uh,
relax. So now
Relax.
this is spring force. You know that now?
Yes, sir. Spring force.
So now what happens slowly? This
Uh,
oppose this motion, this will increase. Shall I turn
yes.
this?
Yes, sir.
One
Till
minute.
here you followed?
Follows.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Now see, what happens now? Spring will try to relax. So spring tries to attain natural length. In doing so, what will happen?
So, means it will try to elongate, means try to come back.
Okay, so at this stage, it has a velocity v1, this has a velocity of v2.
V2.
Okay, V1.
Yes, sir.
Now the spring is natural length, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? That is having more speed, no?
Yes, sir. V2.
So that will go away, no?
Yes, sir. It will go.
Understood the whole story?
Understood the whole story.
If you know this, you have understood collisions. You'll understand collisions properly. These are the two bodies like this in the beginning. Okay, they meet. It meets. It starts here. The force goes on increasing, spring force.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after maximum compression is there, it tries to relax. Agreed?
Yes, sir. One
So
body.
thereby, this ball slows down, this will speed up. At one stage, because it is having more speed than this, it will be separated. Now no more force acts.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Great, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
1 minute, sir.
Any doubt you can ask.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
What is the meaning of that aids motion, sir?
Help.
Helps motion, man. Helps the motion.
కూరేం చేస్తా చెప్పండి చేస్తాను కొన్ని కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది అంటే పర్వాలేదు మర్చిపోకు నాకు బండి ఉంటుంది
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir, completed.
See,
Yes, sir.
these are the balls, man. Individually, they are moving like this. Okay? Now, this ball just touches this. This block touches. Here, it starts. Once it touches the spring, the body gets compressed. That goes on compressing. Agreed? So,
Agreed.
thereby, what will happen? This ball slows down, this ball will speed up. Because spring force is opposite to motion, no?
Yes,
They
sir.
agree or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Agree, sir.
So now the spring will be completely compressed. Maximum force will be there. That is maximum compression and maximum force. No.
Yes, sir.
After that, the spring tries to attain the initial length. Okay.
Yeah.
Now see this ball is slowing down. That is speeding up continuously. Thereby, this goes faster than this, and hence this will be released. It will be going. This will go faster than this. They get detached. This is the story. Is it clear?
Clear,
Yes.
sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
So one doubt, sir.
Tell.
In this, after this graph one diagram, sir, means M1 is going to meet the spring. In that we
Pardon?
wrote, sir, M1 is going to touch the spring. In
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
case, in that case, U1 is equal to U2 means then it will not touch the spring, no, sir.
Yes, it won't touch. Go, that will go like that.
Okay, sir.
This should be faster, now otherwise how it will meet, man?
It cannot meet. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
It cannot meet, sir. It cannot meet. Some confusion. Sir. Clear. It is clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Yes, sir.
So remember the stages of a collision. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, initially,
Yes, sir. Kinetic energies.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Followed.
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
After that, they have a common velocity, no?
yes, sir. Common velocity.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
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 This is at maximum compression, no?
Yes, sir. Maximum compression. At the common velocity, that time.
Here V1 dash is less than V.
Yes, sir. V2 dash is greater than.
Now if you observe carefully, what does the spring does? It
Oh,
takes the kinetic energy of the rear block, back block, and give it to the
front
what?
block.
Front
Front.
block. That is the function it is doing. You have seen this?
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
understood.
sir.
And
This
increasing.
energy it is taking.
Yes, sir.
That's why its energy is decreasing. It is giving it to it. At maximum compression, it has taken most of the energy. They have common velocity. Then it goes on decreasing this and releasing to this. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yeah.
When
Clear or not?
yes, sir.
This is compressing stage, no?
Yes, sir. Compressing stage.
This is
When both blocks move with the same velocity.
Maximum compression.
Maximum compression.
Elastic
Relaxed
state.
state. When a spring attains natural length. Yes, sir.
Bodies are
It attains
detached,
natural length.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Understood.
separated.
Separate. Sure.
followed? Clear?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yeah. Detect, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can say that. One second. After this, you can go. Just I'll give notes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Followed this. See, during collision, particles must touch or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. They should touch.
Hopeless fellow, there is no necessity. See, without touching also,
Yes, sir. Magnet collision, sir. If two magnets repel. Okay.
see, for example, Rutherford's experiment, remember,
Yes,
an
sir.
electron is short like this, it goes and goes like this, no?
Yes,
That
sir.
means the momentum is changing or not?
Changing, sir. Changing.
So there's a change in momentum without any touch, no?
Yes, sir. You can.
we say agreed. So remember that there need not be physical contact. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
The alpha particle, no?
Yes, sir, alpha particle. Alpha particle.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. We'll continue tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Go ahead.
So, one more doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, there is no, sir, if two bodies collide, there is no necessity that both velocity change, you know, sir.
Both velocity?
Both velocities are different. There is no necessity, you know, sir.
I did
Means
not get. Both velocities?
change means are different, sir. Means in our last example, now, sir, two blocks are moving. That
Hmm.
both the velocity of that first block, no, sir, it will
Hmm.
be increased, no, sir, and
Hmm.
it will be increased, no, sir,
Hmm.
uh, and it goes faster,
Which one?
sir.
Sir,
There are two blocks,
initially,
man. Front and back.
Yes,
Front
sir.
black rear block has more velocity. So it goes and touches the spring. Spring
Yes,
gets compressed. Thereby spring force will come. What is your doubt?
no, sir. I take it as an example, sir. Some cases, both
You
blocks
hear,
will.
which one you want in this? What you want here?
In some cases, some balls will stick together, no, sir. Stick together and go, no, sir.
Later on, that we shall see. That is next collision. That we don't discuss right now. Wait. There are
Ah,
many stories are there. We'll reach there. Wait.
sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Take care then. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Bye.
Tell.
sir, if a body explodes, then its particles moves, na, sir.
Hmm.
Then it its velocity will not be same, na, sir. Some will be different and some will be same, na, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes. Yes. But it may be same also, na, sir. It may be
Which one, man? Explosion.
as an explosion or collision. Sometimes
Equal
in some
equal
cases.
masses are there. They have same velocity.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
thank you, sir. Bye, sir.